The serene expanse of the Tibetan plateau stretches out, undisturbed. Zhuo Ma tends to her flock with love, her beautiful voice harmonizing with nature. Tashi, with determination in his movements, rides across the expansive grassland. He spots Zhuo Ma's lamb, alone and bleating softly. With care, he scoops up the tiny creature, cradling it in his arms. In a gesture of gratitude, Zhuo Ma returns the wandering lamb to Tashi. As they lock eyes, a silent understanding passes between them. Feeling a pull towards Zhuo Ma, Tashi begins to make frequent trips to her home. During these visits, they engage in conversation about their experiences as shepherds and savor the simplicity of rural life. Defying her family's aspirations, Zhuo Ma remains unshaken. Her bond with Tashi is treasured over wealth. Challenges unfeared, their future together is cherished. The grand annual horse riding competition is set among rolling hills. Cheered on by the crowd, Tashi secures first place. With this victory, he gains the villagers' respect and affirms Zhuo Ma's love. Zhuo Ma and Tashi stand on the grassland, the air filled with anticipation. They embrace cultural traditions under the azure sky. As the unyielding wind sweeps across the vast grassland, Zhuo Ma and Tashi stand side by side, their bond as unwavering as the land itself.